After seeing how cracked and corroded my bumper stops were on my 2002 Chevy Silverado 1500 with 288,000 miles on it, I realized that I need to get some kind of a lubricant to put on all the bushings and mounts to try to either revive them or to keep them from cracking even further. And after doing some research, I came across this WD-40 silicone, and I went to the auto parts store to try to find it there. 2 different auto parts stores, and they didn't have it, so I went ahead and ordered it off of Amazon. Now, I sprayed this on the bottom of my shocks, the top of my shocks, on the exhaust or muffler hanger. I also put it on all of the body mounts, and I sprayed it both on the metal part of the body mounts and also on the rubber parts themselves. Also on the leaf springs, I put it on both ends and both sides of the leaf springs. And I did this about a month ago, and my ride has been a lot smoother. There are less vibrations coming in from the engine. I don't have a perfect idle. Sometimes it has a little hiccup, but now it seems like though the motor mounts are absorbing it because they are a little bit more pliable now with this WD-40 silicone lubricant. So if you want to learn more about this lubricant, go ahead and look at the description down below. I have a link to it on Amazon. If you like this video, be sure to hit the like button, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you know when I upload another video.